Soft glow, heavy air, strings crying without a name, breathing slow inside the haze. Fingers bleed into the fret, every bend says what I hide. Oh, regrets and analog, sleeping just below my pride. Walls are talking in delay, every echo knows my face. I don't run from what I feel, I just give it time and space. No alarm, no reason why, only way behind my eyes. Every truth I never say lies between these notes I play. Hazy strings, quiet pain, burning slow inside my brain. Nothing loud, nothing wild, just the blues I reconcile. Let it ache, let it stay. Hazy strings, quiet pain. Baseline heavy like my chest, drags me deeper into thought. Every silence hits me hard, more than any words I fought. Streetlight hums and minor keys, rain of neon on the floor. I don't ask for saving hands, I don't need them anymore. Breathing smoke, breathing true, let it sink into the groove. Every scar becomes a tone when you face it all alone. Hazy strings, quiet pain, rolling slow like midnight rain. No release, no escape, just a calm I learned to take. Let it ache, let it stay. Hazy strings, quiet pain. Pain don't scream, it whispers low, learns a rhythm, finds a home in the spaces left behind, where I finally slow my mind. Hazy strings, quiet pain, nothing lost, nothing gained. Every note, a soft refrain, turning hurt into a flame, burning slow, burning sane. Hazy strings, quiet pain. quiet pain, hazy strength dissolving in the light.
Heart stays loud, heavy feelings in a quiet crowd, breathing slow and still. Room lit soft in yellow shade like it knows I'm fragile now. Every shadow feels too close, every promise feels worn out. I sit still and let it hit. No defense, no disguise. Something feels way more than truth when you see them in low light. I don't label what I feel, I just let it fill the space. Every ache wants to be heard, not erased. Low light, heavy feelings sitting deep, slowly healing. Nothing fixed, nothing clear, just surviving being here. No solution, no ceiling, no lights, heavy feelings. Baseline wraps around my ribs like it's trying to calm me down. Every beat says take your time, no one's rushing you around. Smoke drips slower across the room, softening the edges sharp. I don't need a better me just to break inside my heart. Still I breathe, still I stay, even when it feels too much. Some nights hurt the loudest when you don't reach out to touch. Oh. Low lights, heavy feelings, truth hits slow, no screaming. Every weight I couldn't name finally feels less insane. No escape. stays real, but I'm standing somehow. Low lights, heavy feeling, still breathing now.
Midnight breath, city low, neon dripping soft and slow. Every second bends and breaks, in the blues I gently float. Clock ticks heavy on the wall, like it knows I'm wide awake. And guitar strings bleed quietly, every note a small escape. Smoke curls up like broken prayers, fading into ceiling light. I move slow inside my skin, trying not to lose the night. No direction, no control, just the hum inside my bones. Every feeling stretched in time, midnight blues in slow motion. Midnight blues in slow motion. I move late, mine stays open. Every ache feels long and true when the night is pulling through. No rush now, let it stay. Midnight blue won't fade away. Baseline drags my shadow back to moments I can't outrun. Heavy road I didn't take still whispers what I've done. Streetlights blink like tired eyes, watching me drift out of place. I ain't lost, just moving slow. moves in slow motion. Midnight blue in slow motion. Heavy calm, deep emotion. Every note feels overdue. Playing truths I never knew. No escape, just gentle sway. Midnight blue won't fade away. Stops, I won't complain. Let it hang in minor tones. Every scar learns how to sing when you leave it all alone. Midnight blues, slow motion, slow release, soft explosion. Let the smoke rewrite the pain till it doesn't hurt the same. No tomorrow, just tonight. Midnight blues, low burning light. Records spin, still moving, barely there. Midnight holds me one more time in slow motion, breathing air.
Breathing low, dark, calm, where the hours go. City hums in halftime glow. Neon dripping on the street, like the night is melting slow. Every color feels too deep. Every shadow feels like home. I don't rush, I let it sit. Let the silence stretch its spine. Every sound moves carefully, like it knows this heart of mine. No alarms, no need to speak, just a pulse beneath my feet. In this dark I finally breathe. Neon nights feel kind to me. Dark calm under neon skies, heavy peace behind my eyes. Every ache learns how to rest, floating deep inside my chest. No escape, no alibis. Dark calm under neon skies. Baseline rolls like distant thunder, soft but deep, it shakes the ground. Every thought slows down its pace when this groove is all around. Smoke rises, paints the air with a blue and violet tone. I don't feel the need to leave, I don't mind being alone. Let the night hold what I hide. No more running, no more pride. Every truth finds room to stay when the lights all fade to gray. Dark calm under neon skies, where the tired heart survives. Every wound feels less defined when I let the rhythm guide. No disguise, no compromise. Dark calm under neon skies. Peace don't come from feeling fine, it's accepting what remains, learning how to sit with her without calling it a name. Dark calm under neon skies. Still I stand, still I try. Every breath feels slow and wide, like the city's on my side. No relief, but still alive. Dark calm under neon skies. Neon fades, the calm stays true. Night exhales, so do I. Still moving through the dark. Under neon skies.
Mirror cracked by dim neon, shows a face I almost know. Every line tells a quiet lie about the strength I never show. Smoke curls up like second skin, hiding scars I didn't choose. Every breath pulls memories I keep trying not to lose. I look close, then look away. Truth feels heavy when it stays. Every answer bends and breaks in reflection made of haze. Yeah, mirrors in the smoke tonight, faces fading in the light. Who I am and who I was, drifting till they both dissolve. I don't run, I don't go, just mirrors in the smoke. Baseline hums beneath my ribs, like a pulse I can't escape. Every shadow looks like me, standing still, stuck in shade. Streetlight flickers on a glass, splitting ghost into two. One keeps holding on to hope, one don't know what else to do. I don't fix what I can't see, I just let it sit with me. Every truth I can't outrun, life between what's said and done. Mirrors in the smoke tonight, nothing clear, nothing right. Every version slowly flows till I can tell who I'm close. No disguise, no false hope, just mirrors in the smoke. If I change, it won't be fast, just a shift beneath the sound. Let the old me fade to gray, let the real me hang around. Mirrors in the smoke tonight, holding wrong and holding right. Every flaw I tried to hide, breathing out I let them slide. I don't fight, I just go with mirrors in the smoke. Smoke.